How to create an album on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can simply see the different options. Tap on the photos option, and as you do that, you can simply tap on see all option. Here you can see the option of create album at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it and simply tap on the album name, and I'm gonna select DIY for now, then tap on create. As you do that, you can simply tap on it now and add photos over here. So I'm gonna tap on add photos over here, give that access over here for now. Let's allow and simply select a random picture and then tap on next. So as you do that, you'll be able to simply add the picture and then tap on post over here, and you'll be able to create an album on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.